In this video guys, I will be sharing with you how you can create a Canva account in Jamaica in few simple steps, right? You can click the link in the description below and it will take you to Canva's website, and it's simple here. And once you're there, you simply select sign up. You can continue with a Google account, a Facebook account, or your email address, right? Choice is yours. So if you select continue with Google, it's going to ask you to sign into your Google account. Then you select next, enter your password and select next. Now select continue. Now here's a question, what will you be using Canva for? Select the option that is best suited for you. I'm just going to say small business. Now I'm going to select start my free trial. So here I'm not going to select next, I'm going to select maybe later, because you can always upgrade to a pro package. Now the advantage of a pro package is that there are certain elements that you can't use in the free package. You can do quite a bit on the free tier, right? So free tier is good enough for now. Until you want more elements or more templates, then you can upgrade your package. So to create your first design, you simply select create a design. Select the design that you need. Let's say a Instagram square post. Now if you look to your left, you'll see a bunch of templates that you can choose from. The one with the little crown here is the ones that are pro, and the ones without the crown, those are the ones that you can select for free. You can also select elements and build out whatever design that you want for yourself. And you simply drag and drop, right? This is no fancy design. You to add a text, you select text. These are some default text. To add a text, you simply click on it, and if you want to change the font, you select the text box, and from the top of your screen you select the drop down and choose the font that you want. And that's basically it. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.